Wow, have we got a treat for you. With a shortage of truck drivers and plenty of goods that need transporting, your little one will help solve this problem with their very own Mercedes-Benz Actros licensed ride-on truck. It's suitable for children of up to 5 years of age or up to 110 centimetres in height. Let's take a look at some of the standard features. Functioning lights, start-up engine sounds, integrated multimedia console, 2.4 GHz parental remote control, opening doors, official brand stickers and badges, functioning horn, and a safety belt. Let's take a look at the premium features. All-wheel suspension maintains ride comfort on uneven surfaces. The integrated storage compartment allows your child to take their belongings with them on their adventure. EVA soft grip tyres, making the ride more comfortable for your child. It has a comfortable padded leather style seat. The 2x12 volt batteries means the car will last longer. The all-wheel drive feature gives this car better traction on uneven surfaces. The low-high speed settings is great for those who aren't confident in their new ride. The media player is USB, aux and SD compatible, meaning that your child can play their own tunes too. If you would like to buy one of these great cars, then go to our website at RiiRoo.com, where we offer a free one-day delivery if you live in the UK and if you order before 1 PM. And don't forget, we also give our customers the option to purchase our key-shaped USB sticks and our dust and rain covers.